Hello there, my dear artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first Facebook ad using the business Facebook system, which is very easy if you already set up your account. The only things that you are going to need is to have your Facebook account and go to business.facebook.com and follow the steps to create your account. Okay, in this video, we're going to assume that you already have an account. So let's go right to it and business.facebook.com, enter. And since I already have several accounts, I'm going to use this one to show you how to create your first account, your first ad in this 2022. Facebook is constantly making changes, so it's pretty important to pay attention to the notifications they send you. For example, here I have several messages about iOS 14 changes, and you need to start studying. It's constantly studying. Actually, if you want to have a certification for Meta Facebook, it's only valued for 1 year. So that's because it's constantly changing, and it's pretty important to be able to update yourself when you are doing the ads, because something that worked 2 years ago no longer works. Well, it could work, but not as effective as it is right now. You have to make something different. So here are some of the ads I use. To create your first ad, just go here to create on this green button. Click on it. And let's say you are creating your first ad and you're selling cell phone cases. If you're selling cell phone cases, the first thing you want to do, if you don't have a website and maybe you want to have leads to be able to convert yourself, one thing that has the objective, which is what you're going to select in your first step, creating a campaign. The first ad is selecting the objective. Messages is a really powerful tool, since you are going to be receiving messages of people interested in a video. Maybe you upload an image for the ad, and people are going to click on it and send you messages. If you are selling, an attractive cell phone case, maybe Instagram is the way to go. If you are creating custom designed phone cases, you can use Facebook, Instagram. In my experience, it's better to use Instagram for videos. Attractive videos, colorful videos. It has worked really, really well for me. So click on, I'm going to explain just really quick what this means. For example, brand awareness. It's when you're starting out your business, your Facebook page, and you have it already set it up. Brand awareness just sends a lot of your your ad to a lot of people, and start filtering them out to see which people are interacting with your video or your ad, your image. And that way, when you do a funnel, when you do a retarget, another ad, you already have an audience which has already clicked on it, showed interest, and keep creating a campaign which will be more effective with people that already showed interest. Reach, as the name suggests, it's just sending your ad to a lot of people. These two are very similar, so it actually was kind of the same. Then traffic is to send them to a website, to a link. Engagement is to, if you want just to have a lot of people interact with your ad, clicking on it, liking it, comment, sharing it. App installs, as the name suggests, is if you have an app and want to send them to a download site. Video views, it's really simple. Just people that if you want people to click on the video and watch it. Lead generation, you create a questionnaire and ask people for their information, and then you can download the information for later use. Messages is what I just explained. Conversions is if you have a website. This one conversions is if you have a website and want to send them there to convert them. It can be just to subscribe, to fill a questionnaire, to sales, to create sales, catalog sales if you have a catalog inside Facebook and want to send them there to click buy inside Facebook. And store traffic if you have a physical store, brick and mortar store, and want to send them there to buy physically in your store. Okay, let's go on. Click on messages. And then you can rename your campaign, for example, phone case messages. It'd be better if you change the name to have them the better management of your campaigns to just rename them. So if you have several, you'll be able to identify which ones are which. Okay, these ones we are not going to look into them right now. So just click next. Here you can select which platform you want them to go to. If you want, for example, Instagram is what I suggest. Obviously, you gotta have an Instagram account for this. You can send them also to Messenger, to your Facebook ad page, fan page, WhatsApp also. You can upload a WhatsApp number and they'd be able to send you WhatsApp messages. For this, we're going to just select the Instagram direct messages. Here's your daily budget. To start, I suggest always starting with a low budget and then see how the ad responds, and then start gradually increasing the budget after 24 hours if you see significant results. If not, well, you need maybe to change the complete the ad and try again if you are not getting any messages. Okay, here, for example, you just select the country. You can select, for example, Mexico, or for divided by countries, divided by states, divided by cities. Also, you can select, for example, a district. If you're selling nationwide, then you'll be able to, maybe if you have a website, you can select your whole country. But if you are only shipping out locally, maybe select your city. For example, if you live in, San Antonio. And then you can select the outskirts of the city or just current city only. And your age range, which can be, for example, if you're selling cell phone cases for people and you see your audience, your customers are almost in the same range, the age range, then click on it, and here be your audience definition and an estimated audience size, which obviously, if you have a budget, if you're on a budget, for example, of $20, you'd be able to reach here of the 700,000 daily results. Will only get to, it is an estimated results, obviously it's not exact science, but as Facebook shows you an estimation value of how many people are going to view, how many people are you going to reach with the budget, and selecting this audience. Okay, genders, you can select here also a gender if you're targeting women or men. Detailed targeting, this is pretty important. For example, if you are selling cell phone cases, custom cell phone cases, maybe people that are interested in gifts, gift shop, people that are interested in, let's see if they have a custom product. This also has changed pretty recently. Facebook deleted a lot of the detailed interests here. Let's see, custom made. For example, here's a custom made for people that love custom made products or custom made things. Narrow audience or exclude audience, this we are not going to look into right now. If you want Facebook to expand for better results, you can click here. And for example, if you see 76,000 and you click here, Facebook is going to make a little bit bigger, well, 10 times bigger for in this example, and for better results. But we are not going to click on it right now. Custom audiences, okay, that's for another thing. We're not going to look into it right now. Automatic placements or manual placements. I always recommend selecting manual placements, but on this occasion, since we already selected that we only want Instagram direct for the messages, it's automatically also already checked for Instagram, sorry. So Facebook, Audience Network, and Messenger, those placements are not going to be selected. Okay, then click on Next. And you're all set to go. You only need to create the ad. If you already have an Instagram page, Instagram account, you can maybe select use existing post and select from your Instagram. If you already have like a detailed video or image that you want to use, for example, on this occasion that I explained pretty clearly how my what I sell, the product. For example, here I'm going to use the already post, or you can create a new video. And here I show, okay, my cell phone cases have this 3D effect. I ship nationally, or I ship locally. I can meet you somewhere, and so on. Or also, if you want to create a new ad that's not inside your Instagram page, because some companies only use their Instagram for organic traffic, which is people that you get there by not paying ads. And the paid ads, they do it separately. And you can go here to create new ad, then add media, add video, or add image. And it's going to show you all your videos that you have uploaded to your account. Just select one. For example, let's select this one. And it's going to be independent to all the other ones you have used previously inside your account. Or if you want to upload a new video, just click here on upload and select the new video. And just for the primary text, you can just amazing phone cases, add it as a description, something very attractive for the customers. Call to action is already suggested as a message, obviously, because you want people to send you messages. You can create a format, a template for people to receive an automatic message when they click on your ad, which is, for example, here, hi, how can I help you? And yeah, well, I'm not going to fill it to save time here, all the things. And you can obviously create questions so they don't have to type it. And for example, here, I want a phone case. No, this is not very a gorgeous way of saying it, but okay. Let's say I want info about a phone case. Okay. And this is going to show it to your audience when they click on your ad. How can I help you out? I want information about a phone case, and they can just click send or type in an original message for you. This is for the pixel. We're not going to look into it right now. And that's it. Just click on publish, and you're all set to go. It takes around, sometimes it can take less than 10 minutes, sometimes 24 hours. You can go back here once you publish. Let's say we click on publish here, and you can go back here, and it's going to look here on this little green dot as in processing. This is right now in draft because I didn't click on publish, but it's going to show here as processing. And then when it's approved by Facebook, it's going to change to a green field dot as active. And that's it. Just let it run for a few hours a day. If you get results, then just start creasing here, go to the ad set, then click on it on the campaign, and you can start increasing the budget little by little here to get more results. Okay, any questions? I'm going to be posting more videos about a little bit more detailed about the funnel, about the retargeting, about the Facebook pixel. And any questions, please leave here in the comments. Thank you.